What is up, everybody? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is early in the morning. I did a live video yesterday and we were talking about AirPod Pro replicas. If you guys don't know, you can get your AirPod Pro replicas at IamHustlersMindset.com. Hit the wholesale tab and it's pods, okay? And they're going to be in a packaging that looks like this or another type of packaging. But guys, these are real replicas, okay? Now I want to show you guys exactly why I'm saying these are real replicas. Yesterday I had a fit, I would say, looking and reacting to AirPod Pro replica videos. So I'm going to release a video of me reacting to different creators making these videos of AirPod replicas, because again, they need to have the tabs like this. That's number one. And then number two, if you guys are looking to make money flipping these, I sell these for $38. It was a guy that I saw in the video. He said that he brought them for $30 and it had like the little tab where you peel off, and I was just going crazy because it's like, bro, you're lying, okay? It's you're not making money, okay? You're not making money selling bad replicas, okay? I'm telling you right now. These cost $38 each, $155 I believe to buy 4, and I sell them wholesale. So they are linked below, but that's not the point. The point is, how do you list these on Facebook? Now, another thing that I heard yesterday when I was on live is that you want to list these basically to offer up Facebook. What else was it? It was offered in eBay. I would never list these AirPod replicas on eBay currently, because eBay is just very, very strict. Like, that's like the hardest platform to list them on. Now you can list them on there, but you being able to get sales is going to take longer. I've seen people get sales on eBay with replicas, don't get me wrong, but like for a beginner or somebody just starting out, I wouldn't recommend just doing eBay, or that's the go-to platform, okay? I do think that MERCARI would be a go-to platform to start selling replicas. If I was you, I would list them on MERCARI before I list them on anything else. And I'll do a listing on MERCARI video too. But I just want to show this video about Facebook Marketplace, because there is a huge issue with a whole bunch of things that I've heard yesterday. So yesterday, first, I wanted to harp on, again, packaging is very important, okay? As you see, tight seal. You don't see any line when it comes to the plastic. Now I'm gonna do an unboxing on this channel very soon again, okay? It's gonna come out. I'm back on this channel full force. Now, when it comes to packaging is important. Another thing, it's a misconception that you need to take pictures. I personally don't take pictures. I don't take pictures of my product because that takes more time out of my day, and I'm trying to maximize all of my income streams. And if I see that somebody already took a picture, I'd rather use that picture. If I see that somebody is selling using a picture, I'm just going to duplicate that. You don't need to replicate by just copying somebody's picture, but I would suggest it because it would be less time, okay? And that's just my honest opinion. Remember, everything I give is opinion. I don't want to make anybody feel like what I'm saying is law. I don't want to discredit another creator, but for honestly educational and also entertainment purposes, I try to keep, I don't hold punches, you know what I mean? So I just try to keep it real, you know? So now, when it comes to being able to list these on Facebook currently, you will see, if you look at a lot of Facebook posts, so let me actually screen record and let's actually look at some Facebook posts. So if I was to go to Marketplace and I was to look at Apple AirPod Pros, you're going to see a common occurrence, okay? And the common occurrence you're going to see is that most of these are, dang, the ones that sold yesterday, wow, okay, most of them are low price, okay? Most of them are very, very low price, and you'll see that they all look the same, really. Like, the only ones that really stick out currently are the ones with a hand in the picture to me. Okay, and that's, again, personal opinion, but when I look at them, when the hands are in the profile picture, it looks really, really different. Okay, it looks like it pops out instead of it just being on the table. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to have it like this, where you got everything laid out. So what I see is a lot of people think that having everything in the box laid out is going to be, I guess, more it's going to persuade people or be more persuasive for people to buy. To me, it looks like scam. It looks like you're just trying to tell me everything comes in the replica box. Like, this is a clear replica, clear. You can just tell by this. That's why I don't show everything in the box. It gives it away. Okay, you can just tell by the cord that this is not a real this is not real. Okay, you have posts like this. Something like this is going to show legit authenticity. Yeah, it's just authentic. Okay, it shows that it's real. All right, because you got a construction worker just trying to get rid of his AirPods, right? Do they have to be real? No, they could be replicas, but 9 times out of 10, the feeling you get from this is real, because he's not showing a box and all that extra stuff. Now, this picture right here, right? This, to me, in my opinion, is a good picture because it shows a nice hand. Okay, so I'm actually going to take these pictures. I like the hand because the hand sticks out. I don't really like these pictures, so I'm not going to use those because, again, it shows that charger. I don't want to show the charger. So what I'll do, but I don't want to show anything like this because this looks completely like you're selling used AirPods. I don't know who wants to use AirPod. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and look for another picture. And when I'm looking for these pictures, guys, I could even go to, I believe, sold, and I can see the AirPods that have sold, right? So I can do this, just so show the green tab. That's all I want to show. Okay. Oh, I like this, guys. Oh, I'm going to use this for MERCARI too. He's not showing everything in a box, but you can tell it's an AirPod replica. Look at this right here. This little ripping barely ever shows on Apple. This is a loose behind pamphlet. A loose behind pamphlet cover. You can tell it's a replica. I'm not doing that. This looks tacky. Again, I don't want to show this cord. I'm trying to tell y'all. That's the key. Now, look at what price this person listed it as. $0. But also, this person said Apple AirPod Pro Gen 2, new in a box, charger, and 3 months Apple warranty. Okay, he lied completely, but he was able to get it. So as you see, this person did not say that it was a replica. But he also didn't say it was Apple. Okay. But this person, on the other hand, he's selling it for $100. Barely used. Okay, so this is probably real, because he said barely used, so this is really used. Yeah, these are, no. I don't know, but the pictures are crappy, so I wouldn't even deal with them. Alright, so We have our pictures, but a lot of the ones that you see sold, you see really cheap, because they're trying to promote them as used. It got so bad in the AirPod industry when it comes to Facebook that a lot of people, they stopped trying to make a huge profit, and they just ended up saying, I'll just take what I can get. But this is a good way to gauge in your area how much you should price your AirPods for. But we're not going to put the price up front. We're going to say free. Okay. Now, what I've seen with a lot of AirPod videos is that they do know the whole free method. They'd be like, yeah, you do want to list them for free. Obviously. Why? You want to list them for free because you want to make sure that Facebook does not try and take your post down immediately. Now, I'm not going to lie, depending on your area, they may take it down, they may not. When it just I'm saying they may take it down if you just only follow the free pricing method and don't follow anything else. Okay. The next method that you want to do, so you want to list the product for free, of course. So we're going to go put $0. Now let's go study the titles. So what I like is, I like let's see, just looking. AirPods Gen 2. I like this one because it's saying send your best offer, right? So now we can have people sending us offers, sort of kind of like an ad. You know what I mean? They're just going to be just like OfferUp, like they're sending their offers. Okay, so that's a good title. Okay. We're going to use used like new. So the reason you use used like new, and this is a huge misconception people have as well, is they think that you use used like new because it's a hack. No, you use used like new because 9 times out of 10, a customer is going to wonder and ask more questions when you're trying to sell a new pair, right? So I'd rather them know I'm selling a new pair by reading the description rather than them just knowing, right? Like, this looks like I'm selling a used pair of AirPod Pros, but they're clean cut, they look good. Okay, I don't recommend ever hitting new in general, like, because it's red flags. Okay, I'm also going to use this description: Apple AirPods Gen 2, new unboxed charger, and 3 months Apple warranty. Okay, all of our serial numbers at the connect with the AirPod Pro replicas, all of them come with Apple Care. Okay, that serial number reads Apple Care. All right, now you could do the fit if you want, and do the wireless, Bluetooth. Only one available. Do not make multiple available. Remember, you can list this whenever you want. Now, let's talk about ads, like boosting the listing. Don't do that. Just listen to me. Do not do that. Don't boost the ad. Please do not boost the ad. Don't boost it. Don't boost it. Don't boost it. Organic. We want to work on being organic first before we start paying for promotion and paying for ads. Okay? Now, when it comes to us, I Am Hustler's Mindset, right? IamHustlersMindset.com. Really, what a lot of people don't know is I actually brought another domain called HustlersTaughtMe.com. Let's see if that works. No, it's Hustler, not Hustlers. HustlerTaughtMe.com. And that's what I'm working on changing the web. Well, the website name is I Am Hustler's Mindset, but it's also HustleTaughtMe.com. Just something interesting for you. But you go to Wholesale Products, go to Pods, and look, guys, you can literally get these $155, 4 pieces. You can get the 8 pieces, $275, and I get a lot of people that get the 12 for $360, because let's do the math. Let's go back to Facebook first. Let's publish this first, right? So let's look at the sold ones, okay? If you were to, let's just start off with, if you were to get the 4 piece, okay? Because I want to show y'all something. So if you get 4 pieces, that's $155, okay? $155. and let's see what price we can list them at. Let's say our listing listed, okay, so that's good. All right, so let's say we just take 120, because I see a lot of 120s. Okay, I see a lot of 120s, and 120 is the range. 120, 125. I wouldn't do 150 right away. I would wait until that platform is like settled in with me. So let's say 120. Okay, 120 times 4. Maybe I should screen record this. That's $480. Okay, now when it comes to $480, you're making $480, and how much did you invest? You invested $155. That's $325 profit. Okay, so that's the profit you can make literally just by buying 4. Okay, let's look at if you buy 8. So if you buy 8, remember you're getting 8 of them for $275, right? Remember, we're selling them for $120. So 120 times 8, that's $960. You only invested $275. That's $685 profit. Okay, let's do 12. 12, $360. Okay, you're paying $360. Remember, we're only investing. We're only going to charge $120 times that by 12. That's $1,400 minus the $360 you paid. You're making $1,080 profit. Guys, let me explain something to you. You can do this for 6 months straight, get $6,000, start flipping phones, start your own business, buy a storefront. So much things you can do. Okay, these are the Airpods replicas. Again, they come like this, obviously, so that we can ship them to you. We were able to get these into a U.S. warehouse, so now we have a U.S. warehouse in the works, and I'm so happy. I've been building this up, and I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want to flip, go to IamHustlersMindset.com. Go and get your AirPods. If you guys want to list, I would list on a Facebook Marketplace, but more so MERCARI first, which I'll go over that in another video. And if you want to learn how to flip phones, you already know. You can go ahead, pull up the IamHustlersMindset.com, tune in. And not to mention, if you made it this far, I want to give you something. I want to tell you I have a class every Wednesday that teaches you how to list replicas, okay? I go and answer questions. I try and help you when it comes to you listing. I do Q&A sessions, of course, but I also drill down different new updates on listings as well, so you guys can actually take part of that too. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys are getting 1% better every single day. I'll see you at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.